What's the meaning of blueprint? Blueprint. Blueprint.
Blueprint. Blueprint. A blueprint is a detailed plan or outline that provides a clear and precise representation of a project, product, or process. It acts as a guide for the construction or implementation of the desired end result. Blueprints are commonly used in architecture, engineering, and construction to convey design specifications, measurements, and other technical details to contractors and builders. They can also be used in manufacturing, software development, and project management. A well-crafted blueprint serves as the foundation of successful project execution, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned on the goals, timelines, and resource requirements. It is an essential tool for turning ideas into reality.